this is actually a bread and butter skill. As a coach of skills, actually generate more sales and revenue by making their copy more persuasive.
To be better than that. What if mas matayang yun ang pangarap mo? Well, mas mahirap.
Response from the client, it would usually just decline my offer. I've been hopping on sales, so I'm figuring out.
Copywriting. Part 2, we're going to talk about how to build a foundation. Copywriting is the act of writing. I give some of the things you might want to look out for,
Hindi na.
Let's choose now. Yung first step ko is to choose a high-income skill. By default kasi, most aspiring and newbie freelancers, they would resort to choosing a virtual assistants, medyo general na skill. Hindi lang naman yun, it's a good start. Pero, you would save your journey a lot of time mas mabilis. Okay, so some examples of high-income skills, copywriting, which is what I personally teach as a coach, ads, SEO, marketing, funnel design and building. And of course, there are rates dito, 4 digits in US dollar. Copywriting is also highly...
Kasi you get to choose, no? Ano ba?
Industry. You should have a business mindset if you have virtual assistant agencies. Pero if gusto mo talaga na kumita ng malaki, direct client ka. So pag nag-direct client ka, ang cons naman yan is sometimes may client.
And last but not the least is the social media copywriting. Next is naman titinan mo po social media copywriting. Facebook ad. Para mas maging appropriate siya doon sa mga products na gusto mo i-share. So yung content na yun, most likely kailangan mo yung copywriting is to allow that na pwede mo mapuntahan sa copywriting is yung Facebook ad copywriting na trend. And this is also based on Facebook ad copywriting, right? And then in this current trend right now, 2019.
Next, I'm gonna design a shirt, a Roblox shirt, and I'm gonna use this handmade